Buongiorno a tutti! My name is Miriam Cacciacarro, and I will be cooking with you through the Roseto Valfortore Cultural Center Cookbook. Today we will be baking lemon pound cake from the kitchen of Mary Capobianco. For this recipe, you will need milk, almond extract, salt, flour, sugar, baking powder, butter, baking soda, eggs, vanilla extract, and the zest and juice of 1 lemon. For the first step, you will want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Once I've preheated my oven, I'm going to be greasing my bun pan and putting flour on top of that. And you're going to put that aside and move on to the next thing. For the first step, I'm going to be mixing my flour, my salt, my baking soda, my baking powder together, and I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to take my butter and my sugar and I'm going to beat them together until they take on a lighter color. And when they reach that lighter color, I'm going to add each egg in separately, beating them until they're completely combined. Now, since my wet ingredients are combined, my dry ingredients separately, I'm going to add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients gradually. Between the portions of dry ingredients, I'm going to add a bit of milk as well. And once everything's combined, my next step is I'm going to add my vanilla and my almond extract, my lemon juice, and my lemon zest. The reason why you only use 3 tablespoons of your lemon juice is the remaining lemon juice you're going to mix with icing sugar. And as soon as you take your warm cake out of the oven, you're going to drizzle that on top. Now I have my cake batter in my cake pan here, and I'm going to put it in the oven for between 55 to 60 minutes. You want to make sure though when you put it in the oven that you put a cookie sheet underneath your cake pan, so if any excess batter goes at the bottom or the top, that it won't be in your oven. Wow, what a smell. It smells amazing. I can't wait to try this in the taste test. Now, since you have it out here, you're going to leave it out for 10 minutes, and then we're going to put our beautiful lemon glaze on the top. Now is time for the taste test. I'm really excited to try this because it looks like the epitome of a sponge cake, but we'll see how it tastes. Honestly, wow, this is one of my favorite cake recipes so far from this culinary journey. The lemon just gives so much flavor, and then using the lemon juice and the powdered sugar for the glaze, you get that bit of sour in addition to the sweetness. Let me take another bite. Amazing. Wow. For those of you who want to try this recipe, it's below in the description box. As well, check out my Instagram page at A Taste of Roseto Valfortore, where you'll find behind-the-scenes photos, videos, and footage of this entire culinary journey. Subscribe, like this video, let me know if you've tried this recipe. I would love to hear from you. Till next time, buon appetito! When I am tired, the poetry flows. I don't know what to say next. I don't know. It has to come naturally. My poetry comes naturally. You can't put me on the spot. You have to wait for that particular moment in which the words come together in perfect harmony. The combinations just click. And as you're listening, you are in awe of the combination that words bring, the emotions that they stir in your heart. What you need to do, starve me, keep me sleep deprived the night before, and you'll have the best show of your life. As you cook and as you try different recipes, you're experimenting with different cultures. You're putting yourself into a different sphere of society in which many individuals have never traversed. My salt, my baking powder. Okay, do that again. Always put a cookie sheet underneath just in case any excess dough batter to the entire cake. But the thing I like the most about this is how it's completely, I don't know. Okay. For those of you who want to try this recipe, it's in the subscription box below. Or description box.